I'm not going to unbox this product, but I'm going to put a link on this deal to Amazon where you can get these at a really good price. These are the Energizer Ultimate Lithium Battery, and it's lithium, and I'm saying lithium because it's just not a regular battery. It lasts a long time and takes a lot of punishment. So for example, I use Blink cameras as part of my security system at home. And my cameras are outside year-round, okay? And they're motion activated, so they'll get video when there's motion detected. And these batteries will run anywhere from 140 degrees to like -30. And I've had fluctuations from winter to summer, really high swings in heat and very, very cold. And these cameras have always worked. And the thing that you may or may not believe about this, okay, is that these batteries actually last 2 years. And in some cases, a little longer than 2 years. I can attest to that. So I'm going to post a link for this particular deal. And if you want to take advantage of it, this happens to be a 10-pack. But they'll sell it in a 20-pack, they'll sell it in a 4-pack, whatever works for you. But I highly vouch for these batteries and would recommend you picking them up the next time you're looking for a lithium-type battery. It just lasts a whole lot better than the basics. Thanks for watching, and take care.